Let's take a look at a math problem that seems simple at first, but actually confuses many people. The question is 9 plus 3 multiplied by 3, all over 3. Many people think they can start calculating immediately, and that's exactly where the mistake begins. Some people might first add 9 and 3, which gives 12. Then they might multiply 12 by 3, which gives 36. And finally divide 36 by 3 and end up with the answer 12. This answer seems logical at first glance, and many people confidently say the final answer is 12. But this answer is not correct because we did not follow one of the most important rules in mathematics, the rule called the order of operations. Mathematicians agreed long ago on a universal rule for the correct order of operations, which is known by the abbreviation PEMDAS, and each letter represents a specific step. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for subtraction. When we face a complex mathematical expression, we first solve the parentheses, then calculate the exponents, next perform multiplication and division, and finally carry out addition and subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and when calculating, we move from left to right. Whichever comes first, we perform that operation first. The same applies to addition and subtraction. Now, with these explanations, let's solve the question at the beginning of the video according to the correct order of operations. 9 plus 3 multiplied by 3, all over 3. First, we have 9 plus 3 multiplied by 3. According to the order of operations, multiplication comes before addition. So we calculate 3 multiplied by 3 first, which gives 9. Comes 9 plus 9. That gives us 18. Now the question becomes 18 divided by 3. And finally, 18 divided by 3 gives us 6. Therefore, the correct final answer is 6. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like the video. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments and I will definitely answer. Share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel.